Jai Hind, dear students. In this video, I will be discussing about the longitudes. So, what are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary line which start from North Pole and move towards the South Pole. So, these are imaginary lines which are starting from North Pole and they are going towards the South Pole. These are imaginary lines, and these lines they are of equal distance, means all these lines which are starting from North Pole and going to the South Pole, they are of equal length, and these are known as the meridians of longitudes. So all these lines, these are known as the meridians of longitudes. In this, here you can see 0 degree. This is known as the prime meridian. Prime meridian is a 0 degree longitude which passes from Greenwich, London, and it is considered the basis for calculation of time. And this prime meridian, it divides the earth into two hemispheres, that is the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Now, talking about the next one, what is the importance of longitudes? There are the two purpose of longitudes. One is longitudes are used to calculate the time, and second one, longitudes are used to locate any area or any place. All the countries which are on a single longitude have the same time. Means all the countries which are at 0 degree longitude, they will be having the same time only. Next, about what is a grid. When you see the earth, here you can see many lines are there. These are the longitudes and these are the latitudes, and where the place where the longitudes and the latitude they intersect each other is known as grid. So what is a grid? Grid is basically the area where the longitudes and the latitudes are meeting. It is known as the grid. When we talk about the earth, here is the world map, and here you can see this. This is the known as the 0 degree longitude or Greenwich longitude, or also it is known as prime meridian. This side is the east and here is the west. All the countries in the east, they are ahead in time, and all the countries which are in the west, they are back in time. And India calculate its time from which longitude? The longitude is 82 and half degree east. 82 and half degree east longitude. India calculates its time from 82 and half degree east longitude. Why east longitude? Because India is in the eastern hemisphere. So, dear students, today we have seen what is longitude, what is the importance of longitudes. We have seen what is prime meridian, and we have seen the what do you mean by grid. In our upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the longitude and time and the importance of standard time. Till then, take care, thank you, and Jai Hind.